Hello friends, welcome again. I am Moid Ahmad. In this video, I am going to tell you something about strategy. So first of all, in simple words, I want to tell you what's strategy. Dear friends, different people may define or explain it differently. But as I think in simple words, when you make a plan of action or do something to achieve your goal or to gain your purpose or to reach to your destination or whatsoever you want to say is strategy. But if I go into detail, I could say that to know how to do it, what's the right time of starting and completion, and to know who is the right person and which is the suitable place. Friends, you can see almost all successful personalities tell us that it's impossible that you get up a fine morning and find yourself a successful person. Not only to have a wish is enough, but also a determination is must. As far as a wish is concerned, you can see almost all around you have a wish, but there are few, they are firm with their wishes. Dear students, if we talk about your studies, to give a better performance in exam, strategy is must. You can see at school level there are 6 or 7 subjects. Some of those are interesting for you, but some may be dull. But you have to study those only because they are the part of the syllabus. But if you want to study all the subjects properly, you need a strategy. If you spend much time on only interesting subjects and a dull is neglected whole year, despite of being a good student, you will find it difficult to secure a good percentage of marks. And if you go on with your study in the same way, it may disappoint you and be a reason for dropout. Dear students, you know that your parents are sending you to school only because they want to make you an educated person. They want to see you a successful man. But everyone knows that to achieve your success in your work, strategy is must. I don't want to say that with the completion of your studies, only to get a job is success. Because we have several examples of successful personalities in India and abroad that they were not good in their studies. But to achieve their success, they moved heaven to earth and they kept on their struggle with a good strategy. But I don't want to say that you can achieve your success only by doing these all. But at the same time, I would like to say that if you think you can reach to your destination by choosing a shortcut way, I would like to say that you are actually building a castles in the air. Friends, now I want to tell you what's a good strategy. You can see at your school, according to your textbook, you are taught many good things, and your parents and other elders time to time tell you many good things. But it doesn't mean that you should apply these all blindly. You should take a decision and make a plan of action according to the situation before you. Friends, sometimes you have a problem that the subject you like very much, other people consider that unimportant. So you are not allowed by your parents to choose that. I think this is a big problem for both you and your parents. So I have a few advice for both, but for you first. Friends, the most important thing you should understand is that the subject at the time of study you feel interesting, where does it lead you to? Would you like it also as a career? It is usually seen that some boys in their study period tell a subject interesting only due to finding other subjects difficult. But after completing their education, they are not satisfied with the career the subject can give. And now for the parents. Of course, it's your duty to make a future plan for your sons and daughters. But what you need to understand is that if you alone make a plan without including them, I would like to say it's not a plan. It may be merely a dream of you. You can advise them by sharing your own experience and knowledge, but the final decision you should leave on him or her. This is the best strategy. Thank you, friends. See you again with a new video.